Hello everyone, welcome to another HTML tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can make a simple web page using HTML. This is the page we are going to design today. So let's start. This is the basic structure of HTML page. In the beginning I want to set image in the background. So for that I am going in body tag and I am going to use background equals to image. Whatever the image you want to put, you can give name of that image. So background equals to name of the image inside the double quotes. So I am having the image already, so I am putting the image h12.jpg. That's it. Now save your program and then check is it working or not. Yeah, you can see that image has come. Now I want to give some text over here in the left side. So let's see how we can do that. Now I want to come to the next line. For that I am using BR tag. BR tag means breaking the line, means come to the next line. After that I am using H3 tag for giving the text, and also I will use font tag for giving the style to my font. So for that attribute is your face, and face equals to, you can take any face. You can check in notepad, there are multiple font styles are coming, so just select any one of them and you can put it here. With font face I want to give the size of the font, so let's say the size is this. Now close it, and here I am giving my text as logo. In place of logo you can put any image also. Okay, now close your font tag and also close S3 tag. Now save your file again and check is it working or not. Refresh your page. Yeah, you can see that logo is coming here. You can change the size if you want, so I am making it 5, as it while I was using 7 it was looking very big, so now the size is 5. If you want to give any color, so use the color attributes, and here I am taking color equals to white. Now save it. Now you can see the color has been changed and size reduced. Put this logo in the center. For that use align equals to center. There's a reason to keep the logo in center. I will tell you reason later. Now for making the menu, first of all I want to give this style. So for that I am using this font tag again. Properties are same, like I am using here face equals to Lato and size equals to 4. Now I am going to make hyperlink. So for that I am taking this A tag with href. Href means you are going to give the hyperlink. In the double quotes I am going to use hash because currently I am not having the page. And after that I am using this home, and then close your A tag. Copy it and then paste it. So like this you can give another list of items. Okay, yeah, so like this we have taken home, rooms, services, about us and contact. Now close all the text, save your file. Refresh your page. Yeah, now you can see this is coming here. Now I want to give spaces between logo and rest of the list. So let's see how we can do that. For space you can use ampersand NBSP, then semicolon. 1 NBSP means space of 1 character. So like this I will use 3 NBSP so that I can give 3 character space. save your file, refresh your page. Now you can see the space has come between logo and the part in the right side. For more space, you just copy this and paste. It's up to you how much spaces you want to give. So accordingly you just use NBSP. Now refresh your page. Yeah, this is perfect. Now I want to give space between home and rooms, then rooms and services, then services and about us, and last about us and contact. So we are going to use the same property, that is NBSP. Now in the center I want to give text like you are in amazing place. So for that again I am going to use the font tag and will use face property and equals to Lato and then size 8 and color gold. Now save your file, refresh your page. Yes, it is coming in the left side. So align it in center. Now under this I want to give two hyperlink. So let's see how we can do that. For coming to the next line, use BR tag. Okay, then use font and now use the hyperlink 2 times. So like this you can see subscribe and book now hyperlinks are coming. Your web page is ready now. I hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and share my video.